ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট আর্টিকেলস অফ দ্য কনস্টিটিউশন অ্যাট এ গ্লান্স। তো ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট আর্টিকেলসগুলো কী কী আছে এই টেবলে দেওয়া আছে, একবার আমরা একটা রিডিং দিয়ে দিই। আর্টিকেল 1, নেম অ্যান্ড টেরিটরি অফ দ্য ইউনিয়ন। Article 3, formation of new states and alteration of states boundaries or names of existing states. Article 13, laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. Article 14, equality before law. Article 16, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 19, protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech. Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, right to elementary education. Article 25, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 30, rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 31C, saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Article 32, remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including writs. 38, states to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Article 40, organization of village panchayat. 44, uniform civil code for citizens. 45, provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. 46, promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. Article 50, separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51, promotion of international peace and security. 51A, fundamental duties. 72, power of president to grant pardon and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. Article 74, council of ministers to aid and advise the president. 78, duties of prime minister as respect the furnishing of information to the president, etc. Article 110, definition of money bill. Article 112, annual financial statement, budget. 123, power of president to promulgate ordinances during recess of parliament. Article 143, power of president to consult Supreme Court. Article 155, appointment of governor. Article 161, power of governor to grant pardon, etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. 163, council of ministers to aid and advise the governor. 167, duties of chief minister with regard to the furnishing of information to governor, etc. Article 169, abolition or creation of legislative council in states. Article 200, assent to bills by governor including reservation for president. Article 213, power of governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of the state legislature. Article 226, power of High Court to issue certain writs. Article 239AA, special provision with respect to Delhi. Article 249, power of Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in state list in the national interest. Article 362, adjudication of disputes relating to water of interstate rivers or river valleys. Article 263, provision with respect to an interstate council. Article 265, taxes not to be imposed save by authority of law. Article 275, grants from the Union to certain states. Article 280, Finance Commission. 300, suits and proceedings. 300A, persons not to be deprived of property save by authority of law. Right to property. Article 311, dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of persons employed in civil capacities under the Union or a state. Article 312, All India Services. Article 315, Public Service Commission for the Union and for the states. Article 320, Function of Public Service Commission. Article 323A, Administrative Tribunals. Article 324, Superintendence, direction and control of election to be vested in an election commission. Article 330, reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the House of the People. Article 335 claims of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes to services and posts. Article 352 proclamation of emergency, national emergency. Article 356 provision in case of failure of constitutional machinery in state, President's rule. Article 360 provisions as to financial emergency. Article 365 effect of failure to comply with or to give effect to direction given by Union, President's rule. Article 368 power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure thereof. Article 370 temporary provisions with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. তো এইগুলো দেওয়া ছিল সাম ইম্পর্টেন্ট আর্টিকেলস অফ দ্য কনস্টিটিউশন। এই টেবলটা ভীষণ ইম্পর্টেন্ট, এক দুইবার শুনে নিলে সবগুলো আর্টিকেলস প্রায় মনে থেকে যেতে লাগে।